500 milligrams of this remedy, and this is what happens to your arteries and kidneys. Guys, it's incredibly important to keep bad cholesterol levels under 100 milligrams per dl if you want to lower your creatinine levels. Cholesterol is a silent killer, one of the worst health dangers of our times. It is not just a cause of atherosclerosis, a condition in which your organs progressively stop working. It's also a constant cause of kidney damage. Let me show you. In people with kidney disease, blood vessels are already narrowed than normal. If we add cholesterol to the equation, things will get bad. Cholesterol travels throughout the body and it picks up all sorts of inflammatory substances. Then it dumps itself into the artery walls as plaque. These are your renal arteries, the vessels that bring oxygen and nourishment to your kidneys. You think your kidneys are getting enough blood now? No way of improving your kidney health if your arteries look like this. How can we avoid this situation? What you want is your LDL or bad cholesterol levels to be less than 100 milligrams per dl if you don't have diabetes and less than 70 milligrams per dl if you do have diabetes. This is the only way to give your kidney health a chance to improve. And there are 5 natural ways to lower your cholesterol levels fast and protect your kidneys from one of the worst health dangers of our time. Our number 1 in particular is a remedy that was found to reduce bad cholesterol levels by 23 milligrams per dl in just 3 months. It also has amazing kidney health benefits. It's a must if you want to lower your creatinine levels. Don't miss it! Before that, let's start with some very easy eating tips that are proven to lower cholesterol levels. If you want to protect your kidneys, eat more apples. Apples are a nutrition powerhouse when it comes to lowering your cholesterol levels and protecting the kidneys. They contain a carbohydrate called pectin, which latches onto cholesterol and helps to flush it out of your body. But this pectin is only present in the peel of the fruit, so don't peel your apples. And also eat oats. This food is amazing for your kidneys and for cholesterol levels. It has a fermented soluble fiber called beta-glucan. It will form a gel-like substance that's a cholesterol magnet. It literally flushes it out of your system. And don't forget avocados. Avocados are an amazing superfood. They're not just rich in cholesterol-lowering fiber just like oats. They also have unique monounsaturated heart-healthy fats. One particular fat is called beta-sitosterol and it has the peculiarity of blocking cholesterol absorption in the intestine. But wait! Can you eat avocado if you have kidney disease? Well, science is changing the way it looks at dietary potassium in CKD, so the answer may surprise you. More about this in my recent video up here. And also, eat more flaxseed. Flaxseed consumption has not only been associated with improved kidney function and less inflammation. These little seeds are one of the best sources in the world of plant sterols. These are plant-based compounds, natural substances that can lower cholesterol levels in the blood. Recent study found out that adding more plant sterols to the diet can lower cholesterol levels by up to 15%. And that's a lot! We are in the territory of prescription medicines here. But you see, you will need around 1000 milligrams twice daily of plant sterols to get a 15% reduction in serum levels. Flaxseed, one of the best sources in the world of sterols, only have 200 milligrams plant sterols per 100 grams portion. What to do then? Consider our number 4 for today. Number 4, plant sterols and stanol supplements. This is a group of natural plant-derived compounds that are structurally similar to cholesterol in the human body. When consumed, they compete with cholesterol absorption in the digestive tract, blocking it. This forces the body to draw bad cholesterol out of the bloodstream, lowering your levels naturally. And it really works! According to the latest national guidelines on cholesterol, adding plant sterols and stanols can lower bad cholesterol by around 15%. This research has also showed that you only need to take this remedy for 8 weeks to see results. That will be really great for the health of your kidneys because it might avoid you the need for prescription medications such as statins. And if you ever took statins in your life, you know how bad the side effects of these pills can be. Plant sterols and stanols are, on the other hand, natural compounds found in grains, vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These foods are healthy, but as we can see here, you will need around 1000 milligrams twice daily of plant sterols and stanols to have a significant effect on cholesterol. To get to this level of plant sterols through food, you'd have to eat 16 heads of broccoli. Yeah, go tell that to your renal dietitian. Plant sterols can be found in some brand name supplements such as Colesterol and Centrum Cardio, and also in less expensive but still effective brands. Shop carefully and consult your doctor before taking any remedy. However, there's no reason to think that these plant compounds may be dangerous even for those with CKD. And guys, a 15% reduction in cholesterol levels is a lot, really! But in some cases, it's not enough. What about some tips that are 100% proven to help your kidney health and to lower cholesterol levels fast? Number 3. Take psyllium husk. Fiber intake is crucial to lower cholesterol levels. You see, fiber acts as a mop in the intestines and prevent the absorption of dietary cholesterol. And I always recommend taking this supplement even if your cholesterol levels are not high. It's a natural source of soluble fiber and a lot of people are constantly below their recommended daily fiber intake. So, if you cannot fit 6 portions a day of veggies in your potassium allowance, supplement psyllium husk before the main meals. And avoid smoking. I'm worried that I still have to say this, but smoking kills your kidneys. Good news is, if you quit, health benefits are going to come very fast. And also, try garlic plus lemon. Okay guys, you know that I'm partial to garlic. There is a quantity of studies proving that it works. It can help improving kidney health. And garlic can also help with high cholesterol levels. To get this benefit though, you should prepare it in a special way and combine it with lemon. If you don't know how to do this, please watch this video up here. Everything will be clearer. And don't forget to exercise regularly. Fact: getting 30 minutes of physical activity, the kind that raises your heart rate even just a little bit 5 times a week, can lower your LDL faster than anything else. It also helps with losing weight. Carrying even a few extra pounds contributes to high cholesterol. Now, with the goal of lowering cholesterol and body weight too, also avoid foods rich in trans fats. Trans fats are proven to raise overall cholesterol levels. Trans fats, sometimes listed on food labels as partially hydrogenated vegetable oil are often used in margarines and store-bought cookies, crackers, and cakes. Avoid them! Remember, we are doing all this to keep our bad cholesterol levels below 100 milligrams per DL. That's the only way to protect the kidneys from this silent killer. And guys, as I was saying in the beginning, there is a remedy that's proven to lower cholesterol levels by a whopping 23 milligrams per DL in just 3 months. I mean, isn't that amazing? Yes, our number 2 is one of the natural remedies with the most powerful benefits in the world. Number 2 is berberine. This is a natural compound found in some plants like barberry, golden seal, golden thread, turmeric, and more. Berberine is considered by some the most powerful natural remedy in existence. It protects the kidneys because it can significantly lower blood sugar levels, blood pressure, and it also helps with weight loss. I've personally met people with diabetes losing weight visibly just by taking berberine. They were as surprised as their doctors when their blood sugar levels started to go down instead of up, and the only change they made was taking 500 milligrams of berberine before the main meals. In fact, a common effect of berberine is feeling more energized and less hungry. The other benefit of this supplement is its ability of clearing the arteries from cholesterol like a mop. Amazing! And it works differently from today's standard cholesterol medications, so it may help treat people who are resistant to statins, for example. Taking berberine 30 minutes before meals is a great way of having less appetite, so if you don't need to lose weight, consider taking it after meals instead. The only concern is that berberine can interact with some medications such as immunosuppressants and blood thinners. As usual, consult your doctor if you want to start taking it, even if this one is very safe. Okay guys, there's only one thing in the world that's proven to be even more powerful than berberine at restoring your kidney health and lowering cholesterol levels. I'm talking about the special essential dietary fat that's needed by the body to perform many essential functions. And there are studies to show that this fat can fight high cholesterol, but also depression, anxiety, heart disease, metabolic syndrome, age-related mental decline, joint pain, sleep problems. It can even help prevent cancer. I'm talking about our number 1, omega-3 fatty acids. Taking omega-3 fatty acid supplements has been shown during clinical trials to be of help in reducing kidney damage in patients with CKD. And there is evidence that it can help with high blood pressure, one of the leading causes of CKD, and also cholesterol levels, triglycerides, inflammation, and more. Yes, this essential fat really is the holy grail of kidney health. There is only one thing that you should know about omega-3 supplements. The dosage is very critical if you want to get the wanted results. Luckily, in my recent video, I've explained all you need to know about how to use this essential fatty acid to improve your kidney health. Watch it now to know more. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.